This place was once a symbol of pure luxury, standing quietly in the middle of the ocean. A massive island mansion, now abandoned for more than 50 years. Time did not just pass here, it took over everything. Walls that once reflected beauty are now broken and covered with nature. Glass shattered, marble cracked, and silence everywhere. Inside, the hall is frozen in time, dust floating in the air, broken chandeliers hanging above emptiness. Every room feels like a memory that was left behind. The basement is flooded, dark, and forgotten. Water echoes through empty spaces like a voice from the past. But today, this story begins to change. A team of restoration experts arrives on this isolated island, 10 professionals working together with one mission. They begin with careful inspection, studying every damaged wall, every broken structure. Then the restoration starts. Powerful water cleaning removes years of dirt and moss. For the first time, the original structure starts to appear again. Steel is repaired, sparks fly as broken parts are rebuilt. Glass walls are installed again. Bringing light back into the building. Inside, the transformation continues. Walls are repainted, ceilings restored. Modern design slowly replaces destruction. Outside, the land comes back to life. Green grass returns. Outdoor spaces are rebuilt. Nature and structure finally balance again. Step by step, this forgotten place becomes something new. And then, the final moment arrives.
Hold it steady.
A fully restored luxury mansion,
push it in now.
glowing under the sunset, reflecting the ocean, standing alive once again.
Secured on this side.
What was once abandoned is now reborn. Some places are not truly lost. They are just waiting for time and the right hands to bring them back.